Hi guys, there's a lot of confusion going on around cat because the problem is this is the time when everybody is relaxed. अभी cat का ना peak आया नहीं है. People have not yet understood the gravity of the cat exam because we still have time. And that's the problem with the next 3 months. This is going to happen next 3 months. May, June, and July. August onwards, suddenly you will find the energy coming back. Can you guess why? What will happen in August? That everybody will start feeling the energy to study. Application will be out. Exactly. The moment dates are out, the moment applications are out, apna motivation levels come back. So July mid, I'm expecting CAT dates to come, the official date to come, and then students suddenly become serious about the CAT exam. Okay. So it's my duty to keep you motivated in the month of May and June. That's why we are having a session like this every Monday. So every Monday, this will act like a strategy meet. कि आपने लास्ट 1 वीक में क्या किया नहीं किया. So all these things is the main thing. Okay. So this. Okay. So if I look at the overview about the CAT exam, this is the main slide which I want to focus on. May, June, July. 3 months is the foundation period. May, June, July. 3 months is the main foundation period. I want to complete the full syllabus, everything by July end. This is going to be my phase one. Okay. I don't expect you to get 100% marks. I don't expect you to solve too many questions, but I want you to able to solve the question. Okay, let me complete my part. I'll answer all that question. Niharika, Gorang, please don't copy paste. I'll answer all that question. Fine. Once I know the basics, once I know everything, then I'm ready to go for the pro level. That is the phase two, which is August, September, October. And last 1 month, November ka month, I'm keeping for the revision of everything. So we are going to complete the full syllabus till CAT. And the moment CAT is over, we'll focus on non-CAT exam. Okay. Now, those who are going for CET 22, I want a backup exam. अबे चुपचाप कैट का फॉर्म भर दो. मेरी बात मानो, सीईटी का कुछ नहीं पता. लास्ट ईयर ये साल भी वैसा हो रहा है, अगले साल भी शायद वैसा ही हो. सीईटी गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम है, उनकी मर्जी कभी भी करेंगे, मुझे बैकअप चाहिए. ओके. So if you don't want to give CAT, no problem. SNAP, NMET, ZAT, go for any other exam. Okay. I want a backup exam. I CET 22 वालों, मैं आपको आज वार्निंग देता हूँ कि I'm not saying कि CET बर्बाद होगा अगले साल. CET might happen on time, everything might happen as per plan, but what if things go wrong? Today I have enough time to prepare for CAT also. But if the CET get delayed like this year, then I'm sorry, we not have any time. And next year भी CET में प्रॉब्लम आने ही वाला है. Okay. So give any exam backup. I want backup exam. Main exams out of these exams. ATMA MAT is faltu exams out of this. CET, ZAT, SNAP, CMAT, IFT. So those who are going for CET 22, yes, basics are common. Yes. Otherwise, preparation is separate. Yes, basics are common. So I want a backup. Any of the exams out of this should be as a backup exam. 3-4 exam is more than sufficient. Yesterday I made a video on that, yaar. Backup exam. एक बार यार वो video. I'll post the video link in your group. Syllabus अलग है, बिल्कुल अलग है. Obviously यार, syllabus is अलग. Riyansh, again they are based on this ना. Abhishek, CAT 22 वालों पर आराम करो. Full 1 year you complete the basics. Fine. CAT 22, I just want you to laugh, enjoy on the other people. Learn from their mistakes. Fine. So that next year you don't need to repeat all these mistakes. ये आपके सामने कैट का सिलेबस आपके सामने ये. Okay. Harshdeep, yes. Orange books are more than sufficient to cover the basics, to clear the cutoff. Yes. We want to cover the orange books in this phase. Fine. I'm giving you 2 targets, 2 very simple targets, 3 targets. Target number 1 is complete the orange books by July end. Target number 1, very simple target, complete the orange books by July 31st. If you have started earlier, make it by June 31st. If you started और जल्दी तो कभी भी कर, मुझे अक्टूबर तक, मुझे सॉरी जुलाई तक I want to complete them. ठीक है. Target number 1. Target number 2, you have to start giving the baby mocks, 1 mock every month. Yeah, 1 mock every month. And your target score is 30 marks by July 30. Target number 2, I want to score 30 marks in mocks, 30 to 50. If you can do more, you can do up to 50 also. Okay, 30 to 50 marks, target number 2. And target number 3 is very simple target. See, the main problem which you're going to feel is, यार इतना कुछ करना है, कैसे होगा, ये है वो है, is just for the weekly targets. Okay, just for the weekly targets. This is your target for CAT and CET 22 students. I just want you to follow the weekly targets. Everything automatically will fall into place. Okay, I don't have the books, I don't have this, I don't have that. Please call the numbers via whom you have joined. They will help you out with that. This is for CAT 21, CET 22 only. Okay. Talk to the CK team. Mocks contain 100 questions, 76 questions. We don't know as of now. Okay. So as of now, we don't know. This will come to know clearly in August. Till the time, the basics will be done. Okay. Okay. Mocks come then login assigned courses. Everything is in the assigned courses. Go to assigned course, you will find that. ठीक है अभिषेक मैंने एक वीडियो कल ही डाला है द बैकअप एग्जाम का आप एक बार वीडियो देख लो सो टारगेट नंबर 1 कंप्लीट द वीकली टारगेट्स कैट कब होगा मोटिवेशन नहीं आ रहा पढ़ने का मोटिवेशन आएगा भी नहीं अभी मोटिवेशन बाद में आएगा ओके एंड टारगेट नंबर 2 इज जुलाई 30 तक कंप्लीट योर बेसिक्स कंप्लीट योर सिलेबस 30 to 50 marks by this thing. How to analyze the mocks is not important. Arshad, right now this is not important. Gorang, that's fine. They are more than sufficient. For CET 22, you have the black books. Complete the black books by Diwali, by October. Okay. So for those who are going for CAT, you have the orange books. CAT 21 student, you have the orange books. Phase 1 ke liye. For phase 2, you will get the pro level books. Fine, advanced books. For those who are going for CET 22, you have the black books, you will get the black books and you will get the pro level books. Okay. आकिब अक्टूबर में आएगा प्रो लेवल का बुक्स अक्टूबर में आएगा आपके पास. What is pro level? Advanced level. I'm scared to give mocks. Yes, obviously it is scary to give mocks. Okay. Red books is the earlier version of the orange books. Red books is the earlier version of the orange books. See, iPhone 12 have come. If you see between iPhone 11 and 12, there is only 20% change, right? You can't change the complete product. ऐसा नहीं कि पहले आईफोन सीधा था अभी आईफोन उल्टा कर दिया. Oh my god. There's a 20% improvement. So from red books to orange book, there's a 10 to 20% improvement. Okay. So right now orange. Those are going for CAT and CET को अभी के लिए भूल जाओ. Fine. This is my request to everyone. Those who want to crack CET 22, forget about the CET for the time being. I want you to focus on CAT or SNAP and MET other exams. Fine. So black book and then advanced book. Sakshi, I'm not worried about the mock score as of now. Demotivated, good, kuch nahi hai. Fine. Abhi ke liye there's not important at all. Fine. Harsha, good point. How to improve verbal, how to improve quant. We'll go deep down into everyone. I'll make a separate video for each of them. But for the time being, today the overview strategy part. Fine. Daily target is nothing but your daily lectures. So for CAT students, we have a lecture every day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, we just have a primer, one lecture. Okay. Apart from that, we have no lecture on Sunday. This was one demand which was coming from everyone. Yes, we have a lecture. Now, tomorrow we are having the lecture on Tuesday for speed reading. For verbal speed reading, we'll do that on Tuesday. How many hours to study every day? I think if you are not working, no college, 2 to 3 hours is more than sufficient. Don't burn out. Don't give 20 hours every day, 15 hours every day. Abhi nahi chahiye. I want the peak to come later on. I want you to study to go up. September, October, November, yes, then you can do 50-50 hours every day also, no problem at all, I don't mind. ठीक है, अभी के लिए your first target is to give me 2 to 3 hours every day. You can do 4, 5, 6, yes, you can do that. Otherwise, 2, 3 hours every day is more than sufficient. Okay, 2, 3 hours, what to do? There are two ways. Either you can do only quant, or what you can do, 2 hours quant, 1 hour DI logic. This is for everyone, CET and all, and 1 hour for verbal. This is strategy number one. Fine. Second strategy is very simple. Pick up one topic, like 2 to 3 hours. I'm doing only quant. Now, what I did, because I had a job, I can't. First of all, if I do 3 hours verbal, 3 hour quant, I get bored. I'm sorry to say, but I get bored very soon. So what I used to do, I used to pick up only 2 topics every day, because I had 3 hours ka time after job. I can only do 2 topics. So 2 hours quant, 1 hour DI logic. Fine. Once the CAT dates are out, August onward will increase the number of hours. September, October, November will be your peak time. Here I've seen students studying 10, 10, 12, 12, 14, 14 hours every day also. ठीक है, ये अभी आपका पीक नहीं है. I don't want you to burn out. Okay. So let's start with the 3 targets. Daily task, daily completing the daily task. Number 2 is score 30 to 50 marks by the mocks. गौतम, इन दैट केस गिव मोर टेस्ट ना. अगर आपका बुक्स खत्म हो गया तो गिव मोर टेस्ट, अभी ऑनलाइन पे आ जाओ. एंड थर्ड टास्क इज टू complete your books basic by July 30. Everybody will have a weak area, yaar. I can't concentrate on verbal, I can't concentrate quant. Everybody have weak area. You have to improve that. Target for CET 21, very simple. Complete your books by October. By October you have to complete your black books. आराम से करो. Black books complete by October. For CET 22, sorry, complete your books by October. All right, let's start with that part.